Morning. Welcome back to 18 FAQ video channel. This time I would like to show you how to use KN1000A through the Virtual VDR Future install OS for remote client PC. Upon hardware setting for client side, you must confirm if the KN1000A LUC port is connected to the client PC. The BIOS setting on client PC, please make sure the power measurement setting if this PC can power on after power loss. And the power of this client PC is supplied by KN1000A one outlet. So far, maybe you are confused why do we need this BIOS setting. I will explain them in the video later. For the local side, of course, you must have an ISO image file. Now that all preparation has been done, we can start to install OS for remote PC. Log in KN1000 Web GUI. Launch the client viewer. You will see the remote PC boot up already and under Windows environment now. Drop down the service menu and find the Virtual VDR Future button. Here I would like to remind you, if the client PC is in shutdown status, when we drop down the service menu, you will find the Virtual VDR button appear in gray and cannot be selected. The Virtual VDR Future only functioning when remote PC is in power on status. So how do we mount image file if the client PC has not always installed and in shutdown status? The power measurement setting in BIOS came in handy now. If the PC can power on automatically after power loss, we can use the scheduling feature of KN1000A. Remote power off on the client PC. When we want to mount the image, configure the time to initial power cycle for PC connected through KN1000A outlet power. Power on the remote PC, mount image, and then assign a reboot task. So after PC boot up, it can load the image and start the installation. Back to the client viewer. We drop down the service menu again and click the Virtual VDR Future button. Find the ISO image file from your local PC. Click Mount button. If the remote PC is boot up in Windows environment, it will pop a message tell you that the data has been loaded on the Virtual VDR drive. Now you can reboot PC to start the installation now. Above our steps, use KN1000A Virtual VDR, install OS and with the scheduling feature for remote PC. Thank you for watching 18 FAQ video channel. See you next time.